This is what they call a blizzard. It's the snow, it's snowing and the wind is blowing kind of hard, like at 30 miles per hour. And that's actually, of course, it makes it a lot colder. And then it also makes it more dangerous to drive. Right now, if, if, if you're not in a rolling car or a moving car, it doesn't seem as bad. But if once you're going down the road, last time I did it, it was like everything's just white. You can just see a lot of white. It limits the visibility big time. I saw the squirrels here a while ago. I was hoping they'd go down into the snow and see if they can jump around, because that stuff is higher, piled up pretty high now. I don't know if y'all can hear the wind. It's blowing a lot harder now. The snow's piled up on the trees there, or the snow all over the place. I'm inside my little entry area. Most houses have it. I guess it's for days like this. But actually, a lot of people actually barbecue in these places. Like on days like this. Pretty cool. There's the, if I can zoom in a little bit, you can see the flag flying like crazy. What light is that? Where in the world are those flags? I see that big light. There they are. Anyway, this is a blizzard from inside the porch. And that really, what you can't see right now is like the snow piled up. It just keeps piling up everywhere. There's the stair in there somewhere.